ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದು 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 3. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆದಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. The distance between 2 points P x1 y1 z1 and Q x2 y2 z2 is distance PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Now 2D ಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ x1 y1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ x2 y2 ಈಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ x2 ಮೈನಸ್ x1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y2 ಮೈನಸ್ y1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ 2D ಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟಿಂದ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, ವೈ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, ಝೆಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Distance between PQ is denoted by PQ. Its value is equal to, the distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square z2 minus z1 whole square. One coordinate extra barutte. The proof is very simple with the help of figure. Let us assume that p x1 y1 z1 and q x2 y2 z2 be two given points in a space. Through the point PQ, draw planes parallel to the coordinate planes. ನಾವು 3 ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ 3 ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ PQ. So as to form a rectangular parallelepiped with one of the diagonal is PQ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಪ್ಲೇನನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಪಿಪ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ 4 ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ PQ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್, ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್, ಝೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್. P and Q are two given points. P x1 y1 z1, Q is x2 y2 z2. You draw the planes parallel to the coordinate planes. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು P ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಪಿಪ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ PQ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 4 ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ನರನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸೋದು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ 4 ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ 4 ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ಸ್ PQ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ P is the coordinate x1 y1 z1, Q is the coordinate x2 y2. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಪಿಪ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಈಸ್ PQ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು AQ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಇದರ ಬೇಸ್ AQ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ PAQ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ANQ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Here the angles PAQ is 90 degree ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ the triangles ANQ is right angle triangles. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ANQ ಅನ್ನೋದು 90 degree. In these two right angle triangles, here using the Pythagoras theorems, here ANQ is right angles, PQ is hypotenuse sides. PQ square is equal to PA square plus AQ square. First right angle triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ Second right angle triangles A and Q. Here angles N is 90 degree, AQ is hypotenuse sides. AQ square is equal to AN square plus NQ square. Here first triangles PAQ right angle lo Pythagoras theorems PQ square is equal to PA square plus AQ square. Second right angle triangles A and Q, N is 90 degree, hypotenuse side is AQ, therefore Pythagoras theorems AQ square is equal to AN square plus NQ square. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the value of PQ square is PA square plus AQ square. In second result ಅಲ್ಲಿ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ AQ square is equal to AN square plus NQ square ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get PQ square is equal to PA square plus AN square plus NQ square ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The value of PQ square is equal to PA square plus AN square plus NQ square. Here you know the coordinate of P is x1, y1, z1. Coordinate of Q is x2, y2, z2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The coordinate of P and Q. Compare with respect to the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. The distance, this distance is exactly equal to the distance AN ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is x2, ಇದು x1. Here x coordinates are same. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. therefore this value is exactly equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ x2, ಇದು x1, x2 minus x1, therefore an is equal to x2 minus x1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ the distance PA ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ this one is x1, y1, z1. A ಇಲ್ಲಿ y coordinate is y2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y coordinate is y1. The distance PA is equal to y2 minus y1. It is exactly equal to ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ, this distance, this distance, this distance and this distance. Therefore this distance is exactly equal to y2 minus y1. an distance is equal to x2 minus x1. ಹಾಗೆ the z coordinateಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ the distance qn ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ this distance or this distance are ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. here distance q is the z coordinate is z2, ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ z coordinate is a ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ z coordinate is z1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ z2 ಮೈನಸ್ z1 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದು, ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ qn distance. Therefore qn distance is exactly equal to z2 minus z1 with respect to compared to coordinate axis. Here find the distance an is x2 minus x1, pa is equal to y2 minus y1 and nq its value is equal to z2 minus z1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಪಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಪಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ y2 minus y1 whole square, an square means x2 minus x1 whole square, nq square is z2 minus z1 whole square, the value of pq square. Therefore pq is equal to taking the positive roots, that is root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಾಗ x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. It is the distance between the 2 points, very very important. Compared to 2D, the same forms. The distance between PQ is equal to in 2D x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In 3D x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. It is the distance between the points P x1 y1 z1 and Q x2 y2 z2 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ P 1, -3, 4 and Q is -4, 1, 2. Here find the distance between these 2 points. Here P means x1 y1 z1 and Q is x2 y2 z2. The distance PQ formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x2 minus 4 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus minus plus 3 whole square, 2 minus 4 whole square, 1 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 square is 25, 1 plus 3 is 4 square is 16, 2 minus 4 is minus 2 whole square is 4. That value is equal to root 45. Root 45 means 3 root 5. Therefore, the distance between the points 1 or 2 mark questions, directly apply the formula x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get the distance between the points. The similar questions, find the distance between the following pair of points x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. ಮೊದಲನೇದು 1 2 3 5 4 3 1. You know that the distance is pq. Suppose say that first point is p ಅಥವಾ the first point a and second point b. ab is equal to root of 4 minus 2 whole square, 3 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 5 whole square. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ minus 3 7 2 and 2 4 1. Here also distance pq, p point and q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ the distance pq is equal to root of 2 minus plus 3 whole square, 4 minus 7 whole square, minus 1 minus 2 whole square. ಹಾಗೆ distance between the points minus 1 3 minus 4 and 1 minus 3 4. ಹಾಗೆ 2 minus 1 3 and minus 2 1 3. Here find the distance between the 2 points. The similar type question, show that the 3 points are collinear. Show that these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means the 3 points are lies on the same straight line. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Here proving using the distance formula. First find the distance between the points PQ and QR, and also find the distance between point PR. Suppose the sum of the distance PQ plus QR is equal to distance PR, then you say that the points PQR lies on a line or the 3 points are collinear. Therefore, here using the distance formula, first find the distance PQ. Using the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. It means 1 minus plus 2 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square. Simplify, you get its value is equal to root 14. Next find the distance QR. The distance QR is equal to, here also q is x1 y1 z1, r is x2 y2 z2. 7 minus 1 whole square, 0 minus 2 whole square, minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Simplify, you get its value is root 56. It means 2 root 14. Next find the distance RP or PR. Here also p is x1 y1 z1 and r is x2 y2 z2. Here root of 7 minus plus 2 whole square, 0 minus 3 whole square, minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Simplify, you get its value is equal to root of 126. It means 3 root 14. Here you know that the distance PQ is root 14. Distance QR is equal to 2 into root 14 and distance PR is equal to 3 into root 14. It is clear the distance PQ plus distance QR, root 14 plus 2 root 14, 3 root 14, that value is exactly equal to PR. Therefore, these 3 points PQ and R are lies on a line or collinear. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ PQ plus distance QR ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the distance PR ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the 3 points are collinear. It is one of the methods. The next type problems are the points A 3, 6, 5, 9, B 10, 20, 30 and point C 25, minus 41, 5. The vertex of a right angle triangle. Here also using the distance formula. Here assume that A, B, C are vertices of a triangles. This ABC are vertices of a triangle. Suppose it is a right angle triangle, then Pythagoras theorem is always satisfied. Here using the distance, therefore finding distance AB, distance BC and distance AC, the sum of the square of the two sides is equal to third side, then you say that these 3 points are vertices of a right angle triangles by using distance formula. Here first find distance AB. Here AB square is equal to A is x1 y1 z1 and B is x2 y2 z2. It means the distance AB square is 10 minus 3 whole square, 20 minus 6 whole square, 30 minus 9 whole square. Its value is equal to 686. Similarly, find distance AC, BC. Here also B is x1 y1 z1, C is x2 y2 z2. Here also BC square is equal to 25 minus 10 whole square minus 41 minus 20 whole square, 5 minus 30 whole square. Simplify, you get 4571. Next, find distance AC. A is x1 y1 z1, A is C is x1 y1 z1, A is x2 y2 z2. Here again using the distance formula, 3 minus 25 whole square, 6 minus minus plus 41 whole square, 9 minus 5 whole square. Simplify, you get its value is equal to 2709. But here we know that distance AB square plus CA square is not equal to distance BC square. Adding these two, its value is 2709 plus 686. Its value is equal to 3575. It is not equal to 4571. Therefore, AC square plus AB square is not equal to BC square. Suppose these three are vertices of a triangles, then Pythagoras theorem is not satisfied. Therefore, our conclusion is this triangle is not a right angle triangle. Here using the distance formula. The next similar type questions, verify the following. The first one is 0, 7, minus 10, 1, 6, minus 6, 4, 9, minus 6 are vertices of a isosceles triangle. Here also finding, first assume that these 3 points are A, B, C, vertices of a triangle. Then find the distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. Suppose the two sides are same, then you say that is an isosceles triangles. Otherwise, is not a isosceles triangles. Similarly, the second questions, the point A, assume that 0, 7, 10, B is minus 1, 6, 6 and C is minus 4, 9, 6 are vertices of a right angle triangle. Suppose the Pythagoras theorem satisfied, these 3 points are vertices of a triangles. And one more, the 4 points are given A, B, C, D. Verify are vertices of a parallelograms. Here also you can find using the distance formula. First find the sides of a quadrilaterals. These 4 points are vertices of a quadrilaterals. Here finding AB, BC, CA and CD and DA. Suppose the parallel sides are equal, pair of sides are equal and diagonals, find AC and AD, diagonals are not equal, then you say that these 4 points are vertices of a parallelograms. Suppose diagonals are equals, then you say that these 4 points are vertices of a rectangles. Suppose all sides are equals, the diagonals are not equals, then you say that the vertices of a rhombus. All sides are equals and diagonals are equals, then you say that these 4 points are vertices of a square. Similarly, one more problems. Find the equation of set of points P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2K square, where K is constant. Here given that point A is 3, 4, 5 and B is minus 1, 3, minus 7. Here the conditions is given that P is an arbitrary point. The sum of the square of the distance from A and B is equal to some constant given that 2k square. Here also, let us assume that the coordinate of the point B, it is an arbitrary point or locus of a point. We can taking x comma y comma z. This one is the moving point. Here apply the given conditions. First find the distance a p square or pa square. Here p is xyz, a is 3 comma 4 comma 5. Here this one is x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 using distance formula. X minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 5 whole square. And find the distance pb square. P is xyz, b is minus 1 comma 3 comma minus 7. Here also using the distance formula. X minus minus plus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, z minus minus 7 means plus 7 whole square. Next, given that ap square, pa square or ap square and pb square is equal to 2k square, substitute the values. ap square means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square plus bp square means x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z minus 7 whole square. Given that its value is equal to 2k square. Simplify, you get 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 4x minus 14y plus 4z is equal to 2k square minus 109. Similarly, find the equation of the set of points. Means here you can taking arbitrary point P given that equidistance from the two given points. Suppose given points are A and B. Here the given conditions A P is equal to BP. Here also using the distance formula. AP is equal to BP means AP square is equal to BP square. Find the equation of set of points, the sum of whose distance from these 2 points is equal to 10. Here also P is the arbitrary point given that AP plus BP is equal to 10. In next video, we discuss the section formula. Thank you.